this. Nike by You colorway. This is dope. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about right here. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. These, what's up with these? Holy cow. $40 for these. Holy cow. First time we're seeing one of these at the clearance store. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen tech fleece pants. And these still hella cheap. Look at that. Wow. We've been finding some crazy steals here lately. So of course we gotta come back, see what's going on here. I'm coming right to the women's section, the biggest sizes, because that's where they've had some of the biggest deals. Seeing some new stuff here, aluminum foil, Jordan 1 highs, $145 for those. Ooh, these are nice. Air Max 1s right here. Look at this. Nike by You colorway. This is dope. This is dope. Look at this. Look at this. $60. Holy cow. 60 friggin' dollars. Lorenzo did a pretty solid job. I don't know why you didn't want them. Vapor Max 2023 is going for 100. Air Max 90 Futuras. That's what I'm talking about. $35. This is the type of stuff I'm talking about right here. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. $30 for Metcon 8s right here. This is 11.5, which means size 10. I need a 10.5 on these. But it's worth a try. It's worth a try. Didn't fit last time, but you never know. They got these size 14. Was that 12.5? Men's 35 right here. They also got these 15s, size 15s as well, 35. Got Forces right here. Next Nature is $45. So pretty much men's sizes, because there aren't too many women's size 14s. 12.5 right here. $60 for these Pegasus. Another Metcon 9 right here. This is a size 11.5 though. Dang it, too big. Another one right here, too big. And these too big as well. Pretty sure these won't fit. I'll just be using them when I work out, so I don't really care about the colorway too much. Yeah, they're way tight. Dang it, way tight. Dang it. To be honest, probably can even go up to size 11, but the only other size they got here, 11.5 men's. Yeah, these 11.5s are gonna be too big. They're a size and a half bigger. Too big, dang it. Yeah, these are huge. Dang it. Oh well, I tried. These, what's up with these? Holy cow. $40 for these. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm 99% sure these ain't gonna fit, but figured it's worth a try. If I tie the shoelaces really, really tight, they actually kind of do fit, but that's not really the way I wear my shoe. But for $35, might be worth tying my shoes tight for 35 bucks. Yeah, these are too tight. Dang it. I tried. I need a size 10 on these. I did check the Adidas. I did check the Nike app. Man, they don't have any other sizes. This is the only size. $40 freaking dollars. Holy cow. I found so many of these 9.5s. I found so many that are size 10.5. Haven't found a size 10 yet. Dang it. Almost 80% off. Almost saved 80% off. Dang it. All right, here we go back to regular prices in the men's section. Size 8s right here. $70 for these. These ain't bad for $50. It's not a refurb for way cheaper, so I'm hoping to find one of those, I guess. Bunch of these Jordan 2s right here, $120. Social status pennies right here, still $100. I was hoping those would drop eventually. Jordan 6 Golf. Jordan 6 Low Golf right here. Kind of a UNC colorway, $180. Jordan 1 Low. This is called the Black Cements, $100. That's a grade school. Cortez is going for $70. Zion 3s go for $70 as well. Moving up to the 9s. Terminators right here in a Jordan 1 Low box. Some Terminator Michigan colorway go for $100. Got some trainers right here, $60. Some Dunks, interesting colorway right here, $100 for those. These are an SE. I just realized I don't see any campers here. Usually they're posted up and have all their stuff. I don't see any of them today. What's going on? Interesting. Jordan 36 box right here. Definitely not going for 40, but they got Roshis. These are Roshi Golf, going for 40. These are I thought it was in size 9, 8.5. Now we're in the 9s. These always juke me every time. I thought these were some wheat dunks. I was like, dope, but not really. Still got these here. Still haven't lowered the price. $150 for those, $80 for these still as well. Still got size 9 Noctas for $100. Max 1s right here. Still going for $130. This is one of the best places to get cleats. But not these. These are still going for $100. This and Ross, I think, are the best places for cleats. Another one of these Roshis go for $30. Checking out apparel real quick. Dude still got LeBron jerseys, $50 for these. I see large. I see double XL. All the mediums are gone now. Those are $50. These Kawhi Leonard jerseys, a lot more sizes. These are going for $40. Black jerseys here as well for the Kawhi Leonard. These are going for $40 as well. The black one looked doper, but they only got smalls, I think. Yeah, they only have smalls for those. Jordan hoodie with no sleeves, $30 for those bad boys right there. If you want to work out in the summer, I guess. Also got gray ones. These are going for $30 as well. Tech fleece still going for $50, but only in the huge sizes? No, they got regular sizes. Yeah, they got a small back here. They got, oh, okay, so just smalls and double XLs. That's it. Tech fleece hoodies also go for $50. Gray ones, normally $155, $60 for those. Some of them still going for $80, including these super bright ones. They got the matching pants and stuff. These are still going for $60 though. The black hoodies right here, these are $50. I see small, I see medium. I see other sizes. I see small, mediums only. Oh wait, double XL. Double XL. Oh, that's a different one though. Back to the sneakers. We're in the size 10 section. I cannot believe they are still asking for $140 for these 2 months later. Really? You can tell exactly when it was priced because they put the dates on them. I think 2 months they eventually dropped the price. Zoom Freak 5s, these have been dropped down to $40. LeBron 19 lows still going for $70. Air Max 1 La Familia still $130. AJKOs still $110. These are both 10.5s. Jordan 1 lows still $90. Finally seeing the Air Force 1 Virgil Abloh off-whites. They're still going for $160, man. That's just too much. Got the Leo signature skate shoe right here, going for $50. Pegasus 38s going for $60. Moving on to the 11s, got some Cortez Nike by Use right here, $70 for those. That is a nylon. $120 for the Comfort still. They got Mach 3.5s. Haven't seen these in a while. $50 for those bad boys. $50 for the Airspan 2s. I feel like those have been cheaper at the regular Nike outlets. Nike ID, Nike by Use have been interesting. These are just some older Pegasus though. $60 for those. Moving on to the 12s, more of the AJKOs, $110. $110 for mids? That's just crazy. Air Max 97 Terra Escapes go for $80. ADs go for $70. Oh, this is a size 15. I was like, what? $35? Yeah, size 15s go for $35. Got some Sabrinas right here. Oh, these are way small. What the hell? What's this doing in this section? Size 6.5, $60 for those. Looks like they extended size priced a lot of the size 13s and up. $70 for Jordan 2s. Airspan 2s go for $25. 2090s go for $40. Air Max 1s right here. These are down to $70. The Air Forces, you don't get no discounts. But the Nigers right here, $25. Some generic Jordans, $25. These as well. Cosmic Unity 3s, $35. These are $40. And they're bringing out more and more. It looks like Big Feet Gang, y'all got all kinds of steals. Came back to the women's big sizes again. Look at this. They just brought this out. Dunk lows right here. This is an SC. This got all kinds of suede. The suede isn't super soft, but it's better than regular leather. $100 for those. And then look at this one right here. This one right here. This is also $100. This is a Dunk Low. This is better than the regular Dunk. Oh, got some tumbled leather on it. Material's actually really nice. Color blocking, really nice. The material's like way better than regular Dunks did. Yeah, man. $100 for those bad boys right there. No Invincible Run 3s. No Metcons. Size 10.5 and 10s. Dang nabbit. I'll check later again. Let's check apparel and accessories one more time. See what else I missed out on. $40, $120, down to $40 for these backpacks. This backpack looks very solid. The straps, man, straps are very nice. That looks really nice. And they got more of the budget ones, $20 for these right here, $20 for those as well. A cargo pants over here, $40 for these. They got multiple colorways going for $40. Showed the other tech fleece. They got these for $40. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen for these. Just the brown ones though. And then for this color, look at this. $30 for the pants. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen tech fleece pants right here. Most of these other ones go for $60. Even the red one right here, these are going for $60 as well. ACG long sleeve, $20? $20? ACG usually expensive as hell. This is thick too. Holy cow. They want to get rid of this. They got multiple? Wow. Salute to Service long sleeve Rams t-shirt right here, or long sleeve shirt. What these going for? These are also $15. Damn, that's what's up for Rams fans. Let's see, do they have? These are all smalls right here. Random NBA sweatshirt, no team or nothing. It just says NBA. What the hell? $40 for that. Dry fit shirts right here. $20 for those. They got so many freaking racks of t-shirts. Nike Trail right here. $15. That's a double XL though. Got racks and racks and racks and racks and more racks of t-shirts. I was like, this material feels so nice and premium, and of course got the premium price tag. $80 for those sweats. Not the newest tech fleece. Got other tech fleece right here. $60. I'm gonna go check out the women's section, but see what's on feet. Do got Golf Dunks. These are Nike Dunk Low SBs. One of my favorite shoes in the collection. I did grab them used because I couldn't afford them brand new. They're going for like $600 brand new. Grabbed it for a couple $100. And they're pretty clean, not 100% clean, but clean enough. And then it's over 100 degrees outside, so got a tank top on. Let's go see what's going on in the regular women's sizes. More common women's size, 7.5, $50 for Forces. $70 for the Air Max 1s right here. Jordan 2s, I like this color combo right here, $80. Air Max 90s go for $40. Air Max 1s, Michigan colorway looking things, $130. Size 8, $110 for these. What the heck? Rachi's still going for $60. So many Jordan 2s go for $140. $50 for the Air Max 1s. That's a hell of a price. $50 for these Jordan 2s as well. Size 8.5, regular price, or regular Nike clearance price, $80 for the Invincible Run Findin 3s. These retail for $180. I like this colorway right here. But yeah, still $80. Air Max DN starting to appear here, $80 for those. More Jordan 2s, still go for $80. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope right here. Air Max 1s go for $130. Air Max 90s right here go for $70. Another one of these. These are still going for $130 though, dang. Cortez right here, $50 for Cortez. That's what's up. All right, did check one last time for the women's clearance. I'm gonna have to come back in like a week or something, man. I'm gonna find those Metcons or the Invincible Runs. I'm gonna find them here for cheap. But the Metcons for $30 and these for $40. That's just amazing. And these Air Max 1s right here, these are dope as hell, dude. These are dope as hell. 9.5, $60, damn. All right, man. Freaking love coming to the store. Got a couple days after the East LA trip. Deliver one of these. New Balances to my boy. So this is for Georgie. Happy birthday, fool. Happy birthday. Look at this. Look at this. Freaking $20 freaking dollars. Wait. Normally 95. What was that? 80% off? 80% off? All black with gum for 20 bucks. Oh shoot, sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. Yeah, 20 bucks for these. Holy cow. Happy birthday, boy. Freaking 3 weeks early. Hey, but they fit. $20 birthday present. What's up? Let's go. Let's go. And Bossco Mitchell.